In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to remove the flashlight from iPhone lock screen on iOS 18. So as you can see right now, I'm in my iPhone lock screen and here's my flashlight icon. Now, first of all, you have to unlock your iPhone. Once your iPhone unlocked, open your lock screen again and just long press anywhere and click on customize, tap on lock screen, and here you will find your flashlight icon. Just tap on this little minus icon and your flashlight will be removed from your lock screen. Now just tap on done and that's it. As you can see, I've successfully removed the flashlight icon from my iPhone lock screen. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.